This channel creates animation content for kids and has close to 8 million subscribers. They make an estimated $150,000 a month and up to $2 million a year, according to Social Blade. I am going to show you how you can tap into the market, creating 2D animated videos using free AI tools, so that you can create your own channel to start making an income on YouTube. All you have to do is sit back and learn what I am about to teach you. Watch a quick sample of what we will create by the end of this video.
Our planet is home to an incredible diversity of animals, from the vast oceans to the dense jungles and everything in between. Each animal is unique.
Without wasting any of your precious time, the first step you need to do is use Chat GPT to create a story for your video. I have the AI Chat GPT prompts plugin installed, which will help me create a script for my video faster. Just Google AI Chat GPT prompts and easily install the plugin. You can also finish this tutorial without the plugin. For this tutorial, I am going to create a story to help kids learn about various animals. Use this prompt, write a script to teach children about various animals. Once ChatGPT has created our script, head over to a website called Kreado AI and sign up. Once signed up, click on the AI text dubbing feature. After that, select the voice to use, optimize the voice, paste the script in the text box, then click on the audition button. After that, click on Confirm to create the audio. Kreado AI text dubbing has a character limit of only 800 per audio, so we will need to repeat the steps for all the paragraphs that ChatGPT created in the script. When done, download the audios created and head to the third step. Oh, and here is a quick reminder. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. That helps and motivates me to create more useful content like this one. Even 1 subscriber per day means a lot to me. Also, please let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments section. The third step is where we will create and animate a character to the audio we created. It is easy. Just head to Adobe Express and click on Make Animations for YouTube. Then, click on Size to select a video size optimal for YouTube, select the character, and change the background to green or any desired color. In this tutorial, I chose a purple background for my character because the character is green, so choosing green as the background would not work well. After choosing the character, upload audio clips downloaded to create the animated character. Do this for all the audio clips, then download and save the videos created to your computer. The fourth step is where we will actually make our videos more engaging and appealing to watch. Head over to Canva and create an account or sign in. Then, click on the Create Design button, select Video, then select YouTube Video. Upload the clips that you created in Adobe Express for reference. Then, search for a forest background and select your desired image. Drag it to the editing panel. Search for and add animated trees to make the video more lively and interactive. Adjust the timing to be about the same length as your animation clip from Adobe Express. Then, add some animals mentioned in your story and animate them using the Canvas animation tool, just as I am about to show you. It is easy. First, add your desired animals, then one by one, select each animal character, click on Animation at the top, then click on Create an Animation. Drag your animal to the desired location and click Done. When you play the video, the animal will move from the place you had originally placed it to the location you dragged it to. Repeat the process for all the scenes described in your story. Once done, download the videos to your computer. Lastly, open your favorite video editor. For the sake of this tutorial, I am going to use CapCut. Upload the videos you downloaded from Canva to the editor, as well as the videos you created in Adobe Express. In the editing panel, align each scene from Adobe Express with the corresponding scene you created in Canva. Once you are done aligning, use the Chroma tool to remove the background color from the Adobe Express video. Position your character in the desired location in the scene. Once you are done editing, export your video, and now the video is ready to be published. Now let me play the video we just created. Please remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to the channel. Even 1 subscriber per day means a lot to me. Also, leave any questions or thoughts you have in the comments section.
Hello young explorers. Welcome to our exciting adventure in the animal kingdom. Today we are going to embark on a journey to discover some of the most amazing creatures that roam our planet. So fasten your seatbelts and let us dive right in. Our planet is home to an incredible diversity of animals, from the vast oceans to the dense jungles and everything in between. Each animal is unique and plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Our first stop is the lush rainforest, where we'll encounter animals you won't believe exist. Look up there. That is a group of mischievous monkeys, always up to some fun and games. And those bright feathers, oh, they belong to the vibrant parrots, nature's own living artwork. Now, let us dive into the crystal clear waters of the ocean and meet some incredible marine life. Wow! Did you know dolphins are super smart and love to play? And look at those majestic sea turtles, ancient mariners of the deep. They've been around for millions of years. As the sun sets, new creatures emerge from the shadows. Sure, it's the nocturnal world, where animals with special adaptations rule the night. See that? It's a clever owl hunting for its dinner using its super hearing. Our next destination takes us to the vast savanna, home to some of the most iconic animals on Earth. The savanna is like a wildlife playground. The mighty lion, the tallest giraffe, and the gentle giants and elephant, they all have a part to play in this incredible ecosystem. And that concludes our fantastic journey through the animal kingdom. We hope you've enjoyed meeting these wonderful creatures as much as we did. Remember, kids, every animal is essential, and it's up to us to protect them and their habitat. So, let us be kind and caring towards all living beings.
Thank you so much for watching this. Leave any thoughts or questions in the comments section. Also, please do check out the channel for similar videos like this one.